we are cleaning out my closet today because I have no space anywhere. My closet is a mess and I just want to be able to put away my clothes that I brought home from college. And also it's raining, so the lighting might be bad because there's a storm. It's been like raining and I'm not going to be able to leave my house anyways this weekend, so I might as well use my time to clean out my closet. Before I left for college at the beginning of the school year, I really just shoved a bunch of stuff in my closet because I didn't care, didn't matter to me. But now that I'm back, it does matter. So I'm gonna show you what we're working with here. So my closet, okay, like not bad. It just needs like a little organization, you would think. Boom, what is this? I also had these 2 bags shoved in there as well that I took out. So we're gonna go through those. I think most of these are things I was planning on getting rid of. I just never did, so that kind of makes it a little easier. So my dresser, yeah, very stuffed, no organization at all. I can't even close it. Oh God, okay. This drawer is like hard to open. And again, just like everything is just like thrown in there. God. Okay, just a lot of pants, but we're gonna go through this too because this actually doesn't look too bad, but I am gonna reorganize it and go through it anyways. That was everything in my closet. So now I'm going to dump my dresser drawers and these random bags. Well, this is the pile. Now I'm gonna go and sort through all of it and maybe try on some things. Oh, jeez. Okay. Have successfully sorted through all my clothes and made different piles. This one is my keep pile for my drawers, so I just have to fold everything and put it back. This one is my sell pile, and that is my donate pile. So I'm gonna put all the clothes in these piles into bags so that I can take those to Goodwill and then I can take pictures for Depop later. So this is all the stuff that I'm keeping from my closet. I know it looks like a lot, but I actually like wear and use all of this stuff. And then these are the things that I'm selling. Okay, so this is everything that I'm getting rid of. I have 3 bags to sell right there and then 2 to donate. So now I have to fold all of this and put it away. I basically took out everything that I'd stuffed in my closet, a bunch of shoes and random bags of stuff. I think it's time to finally say goodbye to the Heelys. I am gonna sell my Doc Martens on my Depop if you're interested. So I think I'm finally done. It is so hot. I think this was pretty successful. I have 4 full big garbage bags of clothing that I'm going to sell and donate, and then a whole bag of shoes that I'm going to donate. But my closet, I mean, I feel like the improvement isn't that big. I just have clothes that I actually like now. The bottom still doesn't look good. I got rid of all the junk, but because I'm only here for the summer, kind of need to use my closet for storage, so there's not really a lot of room for my shoes. But at least now you can sort of see the ground and my shoes are all in there, because before they were stuffed in a bag that was just thrown in there. But my drawers have seen a major improvement and they just look much better. Everything's nicely folded. So I'm gonna show you the results. Okay, let's not judge, but okay, I feel like that already looks a little better. A lot of it is like jackets and sweaters, because those are the things that I kind of need to store in my closet because I don't have any room in my drawers. Okay, and this is the bottom. Okay, it still looks really bad, but at least my shoes are on the ground. And I did get rid of a lot of pairs of shoes. I just don't have a shoe rack right now because it's in my closet in my apartment back at college. So we're just making do, but at least it looks a little bit better, and I got rid of like all the junk because before I couldn't even close my closet. The biggest improvement here, ignore that really burnt candle, are my drawers. Okay, so this is the first drawer. As you can see, everything's folded. In this drawer, I basically just keep like all my comfortable like loungewear kind of clothes. I have just like all my big kind of t-shirts, which I literally wear every day. Then we just have like pajama shorts, like comfy shorts. That's kind of the vibe in here. We have like athletic shorts, pajamas, loungewear, that kind of stuff. This is my favorite drawer because it has all my cute clothes. So, and I still have plenty of room in here. So this is just like my cute, like going out tops, daytime tops. I have like baby tees, just like clothes that I would actually prefer to be seen in public. And the colors just look pretty too. Bottom drawer, not too much has changed. Actually, you can see there is a lot of room in there now, but everything that I keep in this drawer is just like bulkier items like pants and like sweaters and stuff. So but yeah, there's actually a lot more room in here. It's like has a lot of space in the back. That is my closet clean out for this year. I have lots of new space for new summer clothes, but I'm really trying to cut back because I don't want to have to do another one of these, though I probably will. I haven't done an outro in so long. Okay, whatever. Bye.